In this example, the shape has still been divided into just 12 slices or 12 pieces. But this time, we removed 3 of those pieces. These 3 pieces can be represented as 3 out of 12 or 3 divided by 12. We can say that there are 9 by 12 still remaining. Here another shape. This time it's been divided into 7 slices and we have taken out 2 of the slices. So 2/7 are removed and 5/7 still remains. Another way to think of fraction is a part of a set. For example, here is a box of crayon. The entire box is made up of 7 crayons. So each crayon is 1 out of 7. If we take 3 of these crayons and gave them to a friend, we have taken 3 out of 7 crayons. So 3/7 of the crayons are given them away. This leaves us with 4/7 of the crayons remaining. Because once again 7 crayons makes a whole and we still have 4 of them. Our full box still takes 7 crayons, but our friend has 3 of the crayons. And these are good examples to understand about fractions. I have also given few more examples in the description box. So go through the description box, and the next video I'm going to show you more in depth about fraction.